Accompany us on our audio-visual documentary showcasing the journey to a perfect wedding between Ibrahim and Farida. It was a day the world stood still for these two great personalities, sincerely synchronized by His providence. It all started and ended to the glory of God with Ibrahim and Farida, the beautiful couple. Love, they say, is a beautiful thing, and he who finds a wife has found a good thing. Now, talking about the wedding, let's take you through the planning, challenges, victory, joy, and of course, the final event. Kano State, where the dowry array took place. It was a memorable event filled with glamour. It was attended by prominent personalities, family and friends from all over the world, and it all started and ended to the glory of God. Sadaki, which in English means payment of dowry, is a very important aspect of the entire wedding process. This is the day both families come together to negotiate the payment of the dowry. The event usually takes place in the mosque immediately after Jumat prayer.
السلام عليك يا حبيبي يا نبي الله.
Which means in English unveiling the bride. This is a traditional rite from Bauchi State, where the groom comes from. This is the day the groom officially unveils his bride. The event is mainly for the mothers and sisters of both families.
I just wanted to say I wish two of my brothers, Ibrahim and Shamsu, a happy married life, and we're gonna miss you.
I've known Ibrahim for all my life. Ibrahim is a brother to me, and I wish him a very happy married life. We're all excited today.
Ibrahim is my brother. We've growing up together. We're so close. Supported me in so many ways. I wish him right now. It's a day that we all celebrate. I'm so happy to see he's found someone that they can live their life together, support each other. Today is their day.
Ron Brown. Yes! Yes! Are we back in the most amazing way? We're going to introduce you to the new talk. Let's get straight to it. Come on!
Okay then, now.
We getting that rap money. We getting that rap money.
That was cool. That was cool.
Allah, she get high, many falla. Many high, like she ain't my life.
It was certainly a high-status wedding, especially the venue and the glorious designs. Such creativity to behold. The cake was magnificent. It was such a colorful event. The grand entrance of the couples was adorable as they strolled majestically to their seats.
I said, sure boy, I go to Tubata, Nile Ijo. I said, sweet girl, she go to Tingogo, Nile Ijo. I'm waiting, you say, Nile Ijo.
Shamsu is really nice, friendly, and well, he's a really fun person, outgoing and everything. He's a really loving and caring brother. Ibrahim as well, but Ibrahim is reserved, well, you know, friendly as well, loving as well. They're just loving brothers, and well, yeah.
Ibrahim has been my childhood friend ever since primary school. We're like family friends, and he's like a brother to me.
They're really caring for sure. Good role models because I look up to them. They've achieved a lot at such a young age. And the fact that they're going to be happily married, inshallah.
I wish him all the best in life because Ibrahim is such a loving person. He's very down to earth, he's very simple, and I think he'll make the perfect husband. So I wish them all the best. Allah batis them lafia and Allah batis again.
I wish them nothing but the best and a happy married life. And twins, lots and lots of twins.
The couples and their friends gathered together on Suya night to celebrate and thank God for the success of their wedding so far. They ate, they drank, and everybody was merry.